Hi, my name is Janice. Welcome to Janice's own channel. Today I'll be sharing with you on an introduction of psychology. If you're interested in psychology, this video will make you be happy or knowing more about psychology. So I'll cover an introduction to psychology, unraveling the mysteries of the mind. Psychology, often referred to as the science of the mind and behavior, is a fascinating and multifaceted field that seeks to understand human thoughts, emotions, and actions. It delves into the complexity of the human mind and how individuals interact with the world around them. As one of the most diverse and evolving science, psychology encompasses a wide range of topics, from understanding mental health to exploring human development and social behavior. In this video, I'll provide you an introduction to psychology and explore the fundamental concepts that makes this discipline both captivating and essential. Okay. What is psychology? The first question, what is psychology? At its core, psychology is the scientific study of human behavior and mental process. Psychologists seek to understand how individuals think, feel, act. All these processes influence their interaction with others and their environment. By applying various research methods and theories, psychologists aim to gain insights into the human behavior and contribute to the improvement of overall well-being. History of psychology. What's the history of psychology? The roots of psychology can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where scholars began pondering questions about human nature and the mind. However, modern psychology as a scientific discipline emerged in the late 19th century and early 20th century. Wilhelm Wundt, often considered the father of psychology, established the first psychology laboratory in 1879 in Germany. Since then, psychology has evolved and branched into numerous subfields, each focusing on different aspects of human behavior and cognition. Now I want to talk about major subfields of psychology. Psychology is a vast field with several major subfields, each specialization in specific areas of research and practice. Some of the prominent subfields include clinical psychology, focusing on understanding and treating the mental health disorder through therapy and assessment. Cognitive psychology explores mental processes such as memory, problem solving, and decision making. Third is the development psychology. Investigates human growth and development from infancy to old age. Then there's this social psychology, which examines how individuals' thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are influenced by the presence of others. And in education, there's education psychology, studies about how individuals learn and the design of effective educational practices. How about industrial organization? There's this industrial organization psychology, which applies the psychological principles to improve workplace productivity and employee well-being. Okay, now let's look in terms of the research methods in psychology. Psychologists employ various research methods to study human behavior and mental processes. Some common research methods include experimental research, which involves manipulation of the variables to observe the cause and effect relationship. The cause and effect. We manipulate some variables to see the cause and effect, how the relationship will change. Experimental research. Then there's this observational research, which involves observing and recording behavior in natural settings without intervention. And we have the surveys. We often do surveys and questionnaires because the researchers will actually gather the data from large groups of people to identify patterns and trends. Then we have the case studies. We will do in-depth investigation of individuals' cases to gain a comprehensive understanding of specific phenomena. What's the roles of psychology by us? Psychologists plays a crucial role in various settings, including clinical settings, schools, businesses, and research institutes. They use their expertise to help individuals improve their mental health, address psychological challenges, and lead fulfilling lives. Psychologists also contribute to the advancement of knowledge by conducting research and developing evidence-based practices. In conclusion, psychology is a captivating and diverse field that provides valuable insights into human behavior, cognition, and emotions. By studying the complexity of the mind, psychologists gain a deeper understanding of what drives individuals to think, feel, and the way they act. They do things. Through research, therapy, and practice, psychology continues to make significant contributions to society, helping individuals and to provide a healthier and more fulfilling lives. As an evolving science, right? Psychology holds the promise of uncovering even more profound discoveries about the intricacies of the human mind in the years to come. I hope you find this video helpful. Some basic introduction about what is psychology. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will help you to get updated on my latest videos, and do share with others as well. Thanks for watching, and God bless.